আসসালামু আলাইকুম। মাফ করেন আমাকে, আমার বাংলা বেশি ভালো না, একটু বাংলা বলি। এখানে সবাই যারা আছে এখানে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এখানে আসার জন্য। যে মাসিকার যেটা চলতেছে আমাদের ছাড়া কেউ বন্ধ করতে পারবে না
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
যেটা আমরা করতেছি, মানে আমরা তাদের ভয়েস আমরা ওয়ার্ডের আমাকে মাফ করেন, ইংলিশ বলবো একটু। The massacre that is happening in Palestine, no one else than us, no one can stop this massacre. Movements like this will put pressure on the governments of the West that are supporting Israel. When they see that Palestine is not standing alone, Gaza is not alone, they will put pressure on Israel to stop this massacre. We see the pictures, we see the videos, we see people flying in the sky by the bombs that are thrown on the people of Gaza. These bombs that were made by America. Everyone in the West is participating in this genocide. When we show them that we are standing with our people in Palestine, inshallah, things like this are the only things that will stop the genocide that is happening there. Thank you very much, everyone who are participating. And also, I want to thank my batchmates and my juniors, my seniors, my respected teachers from Osmani Medical for participating here. Thank you very much, everyone. And inshallah, even though when we see the pictures of the people being killed, we scroll down, we cannot see these pictures. Imagine the situation of the people who are living under these situations. They are not only in pictures, they are under the bombs. We should maintain this until the war is over, until Palestine is free from the river to the sea, inshallah.